How to tell if your Tampa roof can be repaired or if it's time to replace it. A lot of homeowners ask the same thing. Can this be fixed, or do I need a whole new roof? The honest answer is, it depends. First, look at how big the problem is. If it's a small area, maybe a few lifted shingles, some flashing that came loose, or one leak in a specific spot, repair is usually enough. You don't replace an entire roof for one bad section. Now, look at the age of the roof. In Tampa, roofs take a beating. Heat, sun, humidity, and year-round storms wear materials down faster than in cooler states. If your roof is already near the end of its life, repairs might just buy you a little time instead of solving the bigger issue. Then step back and look at the overall condition. Are shingles curling in multiple areas? Is there heavy granule loss? Have you had more than one leak? Is the roof sagging or showing soft spots? When wear is spread out across the roof, replacement often makes more sense long-term. There's also Florida building code to consider. If a large portion of the roof is damaged, patching sections may not be allowed. In those cases, replacement isn't just a choice, it's required. The goal isn't to sell you a new roof if you don't need one. It's to help you make the right call based on the condition of your roof. Affordable Roofing Systems has over 30 years of roofing experience serving the Tampa Bay area. We'll take a look, explain what we see, and give you clear options. We offer free estimates. Visit affordableroofingflorida.com or call 813-542-8462. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.